Welcome to Invisible Studio Tips and Tricks. Today we'll show you how to animate existing images from your content library in just a few simple steps. First, go directly to the storyboard by clicking the arrow in the top right corner of your screen. Next, upload images from your device shot by shot. Simply drag and drop or use the upload button for your first image, then click Add Shot to continue adding more frames to your sequence. Once all your images are in place, click Video Generation at the top of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. We'll bring your static images to life with animation. If you're not sure what type of animation you want, simply click Generate Videos and Studio will automatically create animated versions of your content. For more precise control, enter a specific prompt such as camera pans left, slow motion wind blows around character in heroic pose, before clicking Generate Videos. Invisible Studio will then produce videos using all available animation models included with your account tier. Then you just need to repeat this process across all of your shots. That's it, you've just transformed your static images into dynamic, animated content in minutes.